Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing additional mathematics. Additional mathematics for Igcse, which have syllabus code 0606, and additional mathematics for CIE O level, which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of student, IGCSE students and O level students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know, students, we have started chapter number 1 from this book. Name is functions, and we have done exercise 1.1 to 1.5, all question, all parts. Today we are going to start exercise 1.6. The topic of this exercise is inverse function. First, have a look the definition of inverse function. The inverse of a function fx is the function that undoes what fx has done. So if we reverse the function, then we get inverse of a function. The inverse of the function fx is written as f to the power minus 1x. So we have to read this. This is f inverse x. This These two lines are very important. The domain of f inverse is the range of f. The range of f inverse is the domain of f. Please keep in mind, I am reading this again. Whenever you find the domain of inverse function, so you just find the range of function. And whenever you find the range of inverse function, you just find the domain of function. Okay? It is important to remember that not every function has an inverse. So this point is also very important. For example, if we have a function, then it is not necessary that its inverse is exist. So which kind of function has inverse? So read this line. An inverse function f inverse x can exist if and only if the function fx is a 1-1 mapping. So if a function has 1-1 mapping, then its inverse is exist, otherwise not. What is 1-1 mapping? We have already done in this chapter exercise 1.1. So those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist where you will see the folder name is admas, and you can watch the exercise 1.1 and you will completely understand about 1-1 mapping. Next, you should already know how to find the inverse function of some simple 1-1 mapping. What are the steps to find the inverse of a function? The step to find the inverse of the function fx is equals to f 5x minus 2. For example, we have a function fx is equals to 5x minus 2. So first step is to replace fx by y. Then second step is to interchange the variables x and y. And the third step is to make the y as a subject. What does it mean? We are going directly towards exercise 1.6. Here we go. So this is exercise 1.6. Question number 1. Let's have a look. Question number 1. What is question number 1? fx is equals to x plus 5 square minus 7 for x which is greater than equals to minus 5. So x can be equal to minus 5 or greater than minus 5. Find an expression for f inverse x. So what is the first step? First step is to replace this fx by y. So fx replaced by y, x plus 5 whole square minus 7. The second step is interchange x and y. So this is y, we replace this y by x, and this is x, we replace x by y. Okay, square. What is the third step? To make y as a subject. So this is minus 7. This should plus 7 on other side. So x plus 7 is equals to y plus 5 whole square. And this is square. So when we drop this square, we should put square root on other side. So x plus 7 square root is equals to y plus 5. Move this 5 on other side, we will get x plus 7 square root minus 5 is equals to y. And the last step is replace this y by f inverse x. F inverse x is equals to x plus 7 minus 5. This is our final answer. So hope you understand how to find the inverse of a function. I repeat all steps again. The first step is to replace fx by y. The second step is to interchange x and y. Replace x by y and y by x. The third step, which is very important, to make y as the subject of the given formula. And the last step is replace y by f inverse x. Start question number 2. Question number 2 is fx is equals to 6 upon x plus 2. Find f inverse x. Again very easy. Replace this fx by y. So this is 6 upon x plus 2. The second step is interchange x and y. So this y becomes x and this x becomes y. The third step is to make y as a subject. So this y plus 2 is divide over here. This should multiply. Y plus 2 is equals to 6. This x is multiply over here. This should divide. And this plus 2 should be minus 2 on other side. 6 upon x minus 2. And the last step is replace this y by f inverse x. And you can more simplify, take the LCM of x. This is 6 x multiplied by 2 minus 2. So this is the answer of question number 2. I hope you completely understand how to find the inverse of the given function. Come to question number 3. Question number 3 is fx is equals to 2x minus 3 whole square plus 1. For x is greater than equals to 1 whole 1 upon 2, find f inverse x. Again repeat all steps. This is fx. Replace this fx by y. 2x minus 3 square plus 1. Now replace x by y and y by x. X is equals to this will become 2y. And the next step is to make y as a subject. So we should move this one on other side. It will be minus 1, 2y minus 3 whole square. Taking square root on other side, it will become x minus 1 square root is equals to 2y minus 3. Shift this minus 3 on other side, it will become plus 3 is equals to 2y. And finally, divide this 2 on other side. 3 plus x minus 1 upon 2 is equals to y. And then replace, the last step is to replace y by f inverse x is equals to 3 plus x minus 1 square root upon 2. So if you listen the blast behind me, so don't worry, this is the celebration of Diwali. So happy Diwali to all of my uh, Hindu students. Many, many happy Diwali. So don't worry, these blasts are the celebration of Diwali. Okay. So this is question number 3. I hope you understand. Now we are moving towards question number 4. Okay. So let's have a look. Question number 4. Fx is equals to 8 minus x minus 3 root x greater than equals to 3. You can see in each and every question from 1 to 4, x is greater than minus 5, greater than 0, greater than 1 whole 1 upon 2, greater than equals to 1, greater than equal to 3. But these values of domain have no relation with this inverse. Okay, so just find the inverse. What are the steps? First, replace fx by y. What is the second step? Interchange y by x and x by y. So this y becomes x and this x becomes y. Now make y as the subject of the formula. So shift this minus root on this side. It will become plus y minus 3 and shift this 8 this x on this side. So it is 8 minus x. Taking squaring on both sides. So y minus 3 square root square is equals to 8 minus x square. Cancel this square by this. This is y minus 3 8 minus x whole square. Shift this minus 3 on other side. Y is equals to 8 minus x whole square plus 3. And the final step is to replace this y by f inverse x. F inverse x is equals to 8 minus x square plus 3. This is the final answer. So hope you understand. In you must learn from question number 1 to 4 the steps which involve to find the inverse of a function, and I hope you understand. Moving other questions. Rubbing is always takes time. I don't like this, but what can I do? I'm not a very good user of Microsoft whiteboard. or you can say smart board. Sorry for this, students. Sometimes speeds become slow due to slow network. Finally, I got success. So we have done first four questions. I am copying two more questions. Again, I am saying, don't worry to listen these blast. These are the celebration of Diwali. Sorry for this. Speed is too slow. I don't know why. Oh God. Okay. So without say any extra word, going to start question number 5. Question number 5, fx is equals to fx is equals to 5x minus 3 and gx is equals to 7 upon 2 minus x. First part is find f inverse x and g inverse x. Very easy. First we have to find f inverse x. The steps involved are replace fx by y. Then, sorry, yes. Then interchange y by x and x by y. X is equals to 5y minus 3. Then make y as the subject of the given formula. Then make y as the subject means this 5 is multiplied, this should divide. Then replace this y by f inverse x. So x plus 3 upon 5 is the answer. So this is the answer of f inverse x. The second is to find g inverse. Again replace this gx by y. Student, if you see fx or gx or hx or other than of x, you always replace by y. Okay, so gx replaced by y, 7 upon 2 minus x, then interchange x by y, so this is x, this is 2 minus y, and the next step is to make y is the subject of given formula. So this 2 minus y is divided over here, this should multiply by x and x should be divided. Then 2 minus 7 upon x is equals to y, because we need positive y. Subject means always positive. Take x as the LCM, so this is 2x minus 7 is equals to, and this y become g inverse x because the function in the form of g. So we don't write f inverse x, we have to write g inverse x. This is the demand of the question. So this is first part. Fx is equals to x plus 3 upon 5 and g inverse x is equals to 2x minus 7 upon x. Now come to next part. The next part is, sorry, there is no next part. So this is the question number 5. I am starting question number 6 over here. Fx is equals to x plus 2 square minus 5. Part A is to find f inverse. How? Again, replace fx by y, x plus 2 square minus 5, interchange x by y and y by x, x is equals to y plus 2 whole square minus 5. Then x, move this minus 5 on this side, x plus 5 is equals to y plus 2 square. Make y as the subject of the given formula, taking square root on other side, x plus 5 square root is equals to y plus 2. Move this plus 2 on this side, x plus 5 minus 2 is equals to y. And finally replace this y by f inverse x is equals to x plus 5 root minus 2. This is the answer of part A, x plus 5 root minus 2. Next, part B. Okay, so the next part is part B. Solve the equation f inverse x is equals to 3. Very easy. F inverse x is equals to 3. In part A, we have already find f inverse x. So put the answer of an f inverse x over here, x plus 5 root minus 2 is equals to 3. Now find the value of x, x plus 5 root, move this minus 2 on other side, it will become plus 2, x plus 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. For eliminating square root, we must take a square on both sides. So x plus 5 is equals to 5 square. Squaring on both sides, cancel this square by this. X plus 5 is equals to 5 square is 25. X is equals to 25 minus 5. X is equals to 20. So this is our final answer. Hope you understand. And hope you understand today's class. Today we have done first 6 questions of this exercise. And our plan is to complete this exercise as soon as possible. So we have done first 6 questions: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So total 17 question in this exercise. Don't worry, we will do each and every question. I promise you. So student, this is our today's class. If you like my lecture, kindly do subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos, and press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Okay, student, good luck for today's class.